Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, which is the largest event for caravans, motorhomes and campers in the world. And here you see we've got Kabe, which is a Swedish company, and rather luxurious vehicles which are designed for use in cold weather, which until recently was all you ever got in Sweden. Anyway, look, they're calling this thing here, it's a new vehicle, it's an off-road vehicle, it's a Mercedes Sprinter, and let's have a look inside. It's called the Van 690 LB, and here is the price, because if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't believe me. It's a 7-meter long vehicle, and it's got the high roof, the highest roof in fact, that a Mercedes actually do. When I say 7 meters, it's 697 centimeters if you want to be sort of difficult. Let's have a walk now to the back, admiring the decor, and now I can start and go back to the front again. Okay, we've got storage all the way around. We've got window in that side, small window in that side. Note they've put some insulation on the door, and that wasn't me, by the way. And they've also got storage under here. It's useful to actually see the bed in this position, because you can actually appreciate what you can actually do with the storage in a vehicle of this nature. It's under there also storage. So that's a good point. The bathroom in the Sprinter is not easy to construct. It's not very wide, but then again, the vehicle isn't very wide either, and the walls slope quite considerably. This is a false wall, comes out like that and gives you access to the shower there. Quite honest, I don't think myself as being pretty fat. Now, having said that, I've got a bag on my front and a bag on my back. I'll put it down here so you can see. See, that's my bag on my front. Oh yeah, no, that is really, oh, that's really squashed. Hang on, I'll turn this around. There's me in the shower, and the door's not even closed yet. Mind the light is on, but it's not very big. I think the mistake here is with this. I mean, this is totally unnecessary. I think that's a design. No, that's a design error. This just shouldn't be there at all. And if you're going to put something like that, you've got the shower unit there. No, the shower unit should be on this side. That is utterly a design error. There's a window here, sensible sliding door, and that gives you an idea of how much space there is inside with the sliding door. If you want something for reference, there's my foot. There's bit my leg as well. Okay, if you want to get some out of the fridge, you can always open the door of the washroom. Have a look in here. Oops. And let's have a look in here. A lot of space there. And down here we've got, oh, nice drawers, very well made. And of course there is the 2 burners and the sink, and it also comes with a brush, and I can stick the brush up like that. Oh, there you go. That looks nice, doesn't it? I put that one in. I was in here when people are less. I put that up like that this week when there was people in there, so people sort of trying to work out what it was. Anyway, little joke there. You've got it here. You've got contoured automotive seats, so which will also move backwards and forwards. That might be a bit more comfortable when you're sitting at the table. My opinion is, though, they do seem to be somewhat low, rather than maybe they ought to be a bit higher. Maybe they're thinking of shorter people than me using this. We've got storage here, and goes that far back. There's nothing, there's no storage up here, which sort of allows you to actually get up and down outside of the driver and passenger seat quite easily. I'm going to sit down here, have a look down there, and ooh, skylights up there. Swedish vans, maybe less so on this one, but if you look at some of the motorhomes, they've got this often rustic, dark appearance. This is what Kabe does, and often they seem very dark inside, which is strange considering how dark it is in Sweden in the winter. But on that subject, these vans are built for the Swedish winter. So if you wanted the vehicle to go out in -30, then this would be the sort of thing you'd want to do it in. Anyway, right, we've got heating down there, and let's have a look at the back. So we've got a window in this side as well, 419 CDI. Got double floor, which rather essential, I think. And you've got space there for 2 gas cylinders, and also notice it's got this system which is easy to withdraw and change your gas. That is, I think, essential. Mind you, this is 171,000. I'd expect something like that. Also got a better view of the storage when we're sort of out here, which I'll open this just to make the point. Outdoor shower here, both hot and cold. Yeah, this is the difference between a quality brand and most of them. That is insulated, right? And so if anybody from Hymer's watching this, have a look and see how they do their insulation in their Mercedes Sprinter. Okay, look, it's hard to judge it because what I'm showing you is the cosmetic bits, and what really is important, something like this, is the technology for cold weather, which I didn't show you very well. Well, I can't because I have to drill a hole in the wall, and that's the sort of thing you really want to consider when dealing with a vehicle like this. I've got to say that shower is awful, and I really appreciate the difficulties of building with a Mercedes Sprinter, but putting in false walls and expecting people to be really needle thin to actually get in is not being realistic, in my opinion. I do appreciate that. I'm wearing a pouch on my front, and I've got a bit on my back as well. But then again, I'm not particularly I'm not overweight, so it's I found that difficult to get into, and I think that is something that really does require either attention or consideration before purchase. Good, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans you'll find on YouTube. So if you're interested in this sort of thing and unbiased reviews, then this is the place to be. For the moment, bye for now.